No.
Okay, if you guys don't know, there's nothing to throw back. Okay. And hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm gonna be learning how to do some TikTok dances because if you guys don't know, I can't do a lot of things, which is swim, skate, and mainly dance. I don't have a dancing mode in my body. I literally look like a f***ing door. I don't know how to throw it back because my back don't move like that. And everyone makes fun of me whenever I make TikTok dances, but it's fine. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like when I throw it back. How the f do you do it? I don't get it. Today, I'm in LA. It's my last day here.
I look like shit, but what's new? I just want to say this before you guys yell at me. This video was pre-filmed over 2 weeks ago, so that's why I was out with people. Like, I promised you guys I wouldn't be doing this if the self-isolation and lockdown was in place, but like it wasn't.
And guess where I'm at? I'm at a house, but guess who's here? Madi! So like, okay, so
wait, Charli's texting me, wait. Oh, she said, be quiet, LOL, my mom's sleeping.
okay guys, okay, so
we're doing TikTok dancing.
Okay, so if you guys don't know who she is, she does TikTok and she can dance, and I cannot dance. 3, 2, 1.
No. Can you just strip that down?
This is why I don't want to be your best friend anymore. This is why she out here doing IHOP. Okay, so these are size 8.5 men.
So, no, you're like, oh, I'm a 9.5 man. Yeah, okay, maybe.
Holy shit, this has got huge feet.
Ask me out. Can you ask me out? Can you ask me out? Can you ask me out?
Imagine both my best friends like trying to date. That's
weird.
weird.
Can you be my boyfriend, maybe?
Oh, get off him. He's mine.
Can you just say yes?
Yes.
Woo, we're dating again.
Update your Facebook status, guys.
Are you kidding me?
What's Facebook, bro? I only know MySpace.
It's my love interest in the next season.
Oh.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Okay, so how's your chicken strip? We're doing IHOP mukbang at 1:30 a.m.
It's actually gross. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this chicken tender is really not good.
Shout out Cutie Karen for being my good friend.
Pay me like one of your French girls.
I'm gonna fall into the freaking stuff.
This is PG. Close your eyes.
Ew, why do you lick your lips and look at me? I'm not dating you anymore. We're over.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Hi, my name is Chris.
Why can't I be Maddie Smokes? Because my name's Maddie.
Because you're not cool enough.
Alright, so first step into learning how to TikTok dance is learning how to throw it back. So first you just did it.
I swear.
Okay, if you guys don't know, there's nothing to throw back. I literally am shaped like this right here. Like, do y'all see a difference? Because I do not.
Baby, you slim thick.
Why the fuck you lying?
Throw it back for me. Give me an example. Ready?
Oh! Oh! Was that it? I don't know.
Yes. Okay. So how do you do that?
Okay,
shit?
so I first I put my hands like this, like
this? Okay. Hold on. By the way, I literally just got rhinoplasty. My rib got cut out literally 5 days ago. So
yeah,
this
so
is
she's kind of
difficult.
dying.
Put your hands here. Yeah.
Okay. I go, yeah. Okay.
Oh shit! She did that back
So you
curve.
start here, like with your chest.
Okay.
And you go like this,
Oh,
and
pop
you like
out.
it's kind of like scoliosis moment, but you go down and then pop it out. You just did it.
I did it.
Yes, you did. Do it again. Go.
No, I can't. Like,
This?
Okay, and then you start up.
I'm gonna do it in slow motion.
Okay, in slow motion.
Down.
Wait, down.
And
Oh, I don't have anything to.
no, neither do I. It just happens.
Oh.
It's like you're doing like a reverse worm. This first, like how you move your leg back. You're gonna do that, but on your toe. So like this, like move like a snake. Okay, you're gonna go down, and then
And like.
oh Jesus. Okay, we're gonna start here, and we go. It's like,
Bitch, I cannot. You know,
I think we should skip this step. How to whoa?
Yes, next up is how to whoa. So I've been made fun of because I do not know how to whoa.
I don't really know how to whoa either. You whoa like Tila.
She's like, Tila, love you, baby girl.
Okay, so there's like different types of whoas. So in this one dance, do you remember like the shooting whoa? Like the
There's too many, I can't.
okay, so this is like, I call this like the Andre whoa because in his pistol song, he has pistol pop, pop. So literally,
Pistol.
this stays here, and this goes like this. But like, it's more like shoulder movement.
Oh my god,
And
this
this
bitch does
kinda goes like
everything.
this.
How do y'all remember how to move it at the same time?
It's true. Oh, can you move your fingers at the same time? Pop, pop.
But,
That's actually good. No, that's good. You just add more like head and more shoulders.
Oh my god, see, I cannot do anything with my head or my shoulders.
Be like,
Okay, is this a what? What the fuck is this?
okay, next. This is the same one. So then this one, you like throw it up,
Throw it up.
and then you go down.
Okay.
This goes down, and this one comes up, and then you kind of pull it. Pull it.
See, how do you move your shoulder that way, and then you move like the rest of your body this way, and it like looks like it's like you're bringing your like I don't understand.
You ready?
Oh, this okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
I cannot right now. Oh! Okay, so now that we've learned the basics, we're gonna learn some real ass TikTok dances now.
My shit, that's my way. Do it like that and repeat. I don't know, why should I just say replay? Because anyway, repeat. Don't be scared. I don't know if it says afraid or a freak or whatever. I just did this. Like you like pop this leg up.
Oh.
Afraid.
Oh!
And then just like that.
Come my way.
Okay, there's more, but we can just learn that part.
Okay. Wait. Oh, I forgot to do the leg pop. I forgot to do the leg pop. Okay. I kind of did it. What's the next one? I don't know anymore. Dances. Oh, I can't do the lean with it, rock with it.
No, you can. Stop saying you can't. You're gonna be a great TikTok dancer.
Y'all know those inspirational videos where it's like, you can wake up every day feeling like it's a brand new day.
It is a brand new day.
She's gonna teach me this dance.
Alright, so ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Why does everything grow? Or it's like what are those things that sound of dolphins?
What are those things?
It goes dun, and then lean with it.
Wait, hold on. How do you do that?
I do this. I go forward, side. Lean with it, rock with it, lean.
Oh, that
sway,
accent she got with it.
Rock with it.
Rock with it. It's not rock with it. It's rock with it.
Why is everything calm?
I fucked up. Oh my fucking god! I got the lean with it right with it. I got distracted. Oh,
You
fuck.
did it.
Kind of. We're gonna do one where I'm not as awkward looking, you know? My face be like,
You're like,
oh my god, how did
bro, my
I almost got it.
you did it.
I look so confused at the end. Okay, what's the next one we're gonna do? I'm hot in this bitch. I'm gonna take this off. I can't even, this is as much as I can bend my back right now. With this in on.
Ow, don't even do that. That was like
Oh
a
my
one-take
God.
wonder.
Okay.
This is so pretty. I want that. So like
Thank
on my
you
butt.
so much.
Imagine just like it going like up my. Hi, how are you? Let me look at you right now. Throw it back for the one time. Do it.
I feel like you're my mom. And she's telling me to play.
Throw it back. No dinner until you throw it back.
It's like, mom, please don't break me. Please don't break me.
You did it. You did it. You did it.
Boom.
10. 10 out of 10. Your dancing is like a solid 6 out of 10 right now. I don't really think it's gonna get better than that.
No, this is the last one we're gonna do. Okay, so basically it's this one where I don't have an ass, but she does, so she's gonna put her bum
really
on the sink, and I'm going to put my
me. No homo.
yeah, there we go. Sorry if my bone digs into you, can't really help it. Literally me whenever I sit on a guy's lap, just kidding, I don't because I have a bony ass.
I'm selfish. Bang. Ass on the counter. Like ass literally on the counter. Like
I can't even reach.
Oh yeah, I'm also 6 foot, so this is like. Ready?
I literally can't even get up on it. I have to like.
Yeah, just stand on the toilet at the beginning. Ready?
It's gonna go straight in my ass. rib hurts.
Yeah, and this is why we do not do the counter trend right now.
You know what? TikTok, beauty is pain. Beauty is fucking pain. Alright, so one last time, throw it back for us. Come on.
You!
Okay, me throwing it back.
Here, go.
Ready? Oh. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Rate my dancing down in the comments below. I read every single one of my comments. If you guys haven't followed Maddie yet, go follow her. Her socials will be on the screen right here. Go tell her that I sent you. Like, no one's gonna come because I don't have, I don't know. That's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. You know, road to 1 million. Maybe when I post this, we're already at 1 million. And until next time, peace.
Peace.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, I'm sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see.